How to use Merand Rotaball Rounder. Before operating the machine, position it in your desired working area. The Rotaball is fitted with wheels, allowing it to be moved and positioned easily. The machine does not need to be permanently fixed to the floor. Once it is in position, install the black support foot supplied with the machine underneath the locking point. Tighten the hand wheel until the locking head is firmly seated in the support foot. This stabilizes the machine during operation, helping to prevent unnecessary movement and vibration. The Rotaball is designed to round dough pieces into consistent, high-quality round loaves. It can process dough pieces weighing from 200 grams to 2 kilograms, with production capacity up to 1,500 pieces per hour. Getting to know the controls. On the side of the machine, you'll find the main controls. The main power switch turns the machine on and off. The white start button starts the machine. The black stop button stops the normal operation. The red emergency stop button immediately stops the machine in the event of emergency. The indicator light shows when the machine is powered and ready to operate. And controller dial for speed. Before first use. Before operating the machine for the first time, check that the bell is rotating clockwise. If the rotation is incorrect, stop the machine immediately. Disconnect the power and have the electrical phase corrected by a qualified technician before using the machine. For a brand new machine, it's recommended to process few kilograms of dough before starting production. This helps remove any residual manufacturing grease from the machine. Starting the machine. Switch on the main power. When the indicator light is illuminated, press the start button to begin operation. The conveyor belt will start to running continuously. Feeding the dough. Place each dough piece onto the machine where the bell begins its rotation. Feeding the dough at this point allows it to travel through the full rounding path, producing the best possible results. Adjusting the dough shape. The Rotaball uses an adjustable bell eccentricity to control the rounding action. Always stop the machine before making any adjustments. Use the adjustment wheel located above the bell to change the eccentricity. For larger dough pieces, reduce the eccentricity by turning the adjustment wheel anti-clockwise. For smaller dough pieces, increase the eccentricity by turning the wheel clockwise. As a general guide, larger dough pieces require less eccentricity while smaller pieces require more. The eccentricity also affects the final shape of the loaf. Increasing creates a more intensive rounding action, while reducing, it produces a gentler finish. To find the ideal setting, begin with the maximum eccentricity suitable for the dough size. Run several dough pieces through the machine and inspect the finished shape. If the loaf is not rounded as desired, stop the machine, slightly reduce the eccentricity by turning the adjustment wheel anti-clockwise, then test again. Repeat this process until you have achieved the desired loaf shape. Adjusting the conveyor height. The outfeeder conveyor can be adjusted to suit your production setup. Lift the conveyor, reposition the tilting frame support and secure it in a locking position that matches your required height. Shutting down the machine. When production is complete, press the stop button to stop the machine. Then switch off the main power and confirm that the indicator light has gone out before leaving the machine.